Let's talk about how to go to Europe for a month with just a carry-on. Probably gonna have to do a few videos to cover everything, so let's start at the beginning with luggage. I brought this away carry-on, not the bigger carry-on, the regular size carry-on. It is quite small, as you can see. I have, I think, 4 different away suitcases. I have used them pretty much exclusively for the past probably 6 years. Never had any issue. I was being very rough with mine, dragging it up this like really gnarly cobblestone hill in Capri and still had no issue. So based on that, I definitely recommend away luggage if you are in the market for some new luggage. Also, the pink luggage from Away, which I also own, is on sale right now, so if you are in the market for luggage, I recommend grabbing some of those. I also brought a bag similar to number 2 up here. That's not the exact one I brought, but that is the one my friend brought and the one that I recommend. The one that I brought is a workout bag, so it doesn't have a luggage trolley sleeve to keep it on the luggage, and it was a complete nightmare, so do not make that mistake. I love the look of it. I especially love that camel color, which is one of their newer colors. My friend said hers has held up incredibly well. Just seems like an overall great bag to travel with. And then the most important packing item are these compression packing cubes. They are from Amazon. They are absolutely life-changing. There's a video on my feed showing how well they work, but they cut down the size of your packing cube at least 1/3, if not more. They save so much space. If you want direct links to any of those products, head over to my profile, click on this link, ckanani.com/TikTok, and then you can click either on this Italy vacations outfit or my Like to Know It has links to it as well. I hope that helps. Make sure to like and follow for more packing tips.